Good morning, fellas. Sorry, I'm a little exhausted. It's way early in the morning because today is an all-day job. The AMG is finally gonna hit puberty. Its balls are gonna drop, its voice is gonna thicken. What I mean by that is today we're adding downpipes. Hallelujah. So IPE was nice enough to send me these downpipes. I've unboxed it. They're inside the trunk. Obviously this box won't fit in there. And we're headed over to AGX. The gutter snake himself is gonna install this. I'm gonna help him out because I don't own the place anymore. So now I get charged hourly. So if I help him out, that means I save a little money. Should we roll this just for shits and giggles, see where it would have landed? Mercy. Fuck. Again, I don't have the Mercy. God damn it, it keeps landing on Mercy. It's like no other car. You just land on something else. Why you gotta pick on me? It's like, this is what happens when you sell the Mercy. You guys corrected me last time, by the way. I used to think it was for the motion start. I thought it was the right paddle and turn it on. But you guys actually told me that it's the left paddle. So thank you for that. I do read the comments. Okay. Didn't notice anything, but one of you guys also said that the engine has to be fully warmed up for it. So I guess we'll do it later on. Enjoy this melodramatic freeway pull. Super fine. Not impressive. What's worse than a Prius driving slow in the carpool lane in the fast lane? Two motorcycles driving slow in the carpool lane. Come on, buddies. Speed it up, huh? We got places to go. We got cars to mod. Oh, we got this STI behind me. He's trying me. He's trying. I will put his ass on World Stars. You don't want this, son. You don't want this. Oh, shit. Bump. Oh. Real talk, though. I'm about to be with Gutter Snake because he's full of energy all the time. So I need to wake up a bit, courtesy of this $130,000 knob. Put on. Traction all the way off. Is that a cop? That's not a cop. We got the shift for a second. Oh man, I love this car. Such a good car to drive. So easy to swing, so easy to drift. Like every AMG is. Okay, I'm awake. Mondi's awake. Mandatory tunnel run coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, wrong gear. So we'll do another tunnel run once we got the downpipes on the car. I'll make it up to you guys. I'm sorry, my apologies. Home sweet home. Hi, say hi.
Don't talk to me no more.
Why's that?
You left me.
Yeah, I left you. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I'm back, Alex. We can spend the day together like the good old days.
Now I'm stuck with Mitch.
Oh man, that's terrible. I feel free.
Yeah, boy.
Mark, what's it feel like being in the world's fastest car around the Nürburgring?
I don't like where the shifter's at.
You always have to find something to complain about. This is before the IP exhaust, and this is with valves open. It's honestly not bad. It's okay. It's got some pops, it's got some crackles, but that's because of the tune as well. Hey, that's not bad for stock, right?
Yeah, it has just the right amount of grumble to it.
The car's gonna hit puberty. The balls are gonna drop. The voice is gonna deepen.
Wait, so you've had this for a week now?
A week, yeah.
And we're just now getting to Mondi. You're actually late on this
Dude,
car.
I wanted to do it the first day, but IP had to send it over, and you know it had to come from Taiwan, so it took a week.
I don't even know you.
Don't blame it on me.
Old, slowing down.
What kind of cheap ass car is this? The doors open up like this? Get out of here.
Well, back to your G35. I know it doesn't have the gull wings. All right, fellas, this is the motor. Mark's got me something. Captain America over here.
I need a sword. We gotta have
Let me give you.
Yeah, oh, everybody knows. Yeah, there we go. I'm a warrior.
You've got a surprise for me today.
I don't know anything about surprises. Alex actually went out of his way because we miss you so much as our eminent leader.
The Hefe?
Yeah, so I think Alex got you a present.
You love me now? You got me a Christmas gift?
Still mad at you.
How can you be mad at me? What do you have?
Because you left us.
No, I'm back. Daddy's back. You got me oil? That's a pretty heavy weight too.
I'm gonna lube you up.
Oh, there we, oh, daddy. Blow off valves. Man, I love you. Thank you. These are the blow off valves.
Yeah, super quick, super dirty.
That's it? That's all blow off valves are?
Yep. And it's gonna sound amazing.
So, it channels back from here back into the air box. Right, Mark?
Now it's gonna
Yeah,
go.
it'll run back here when they open up, cycles it back into the intake manifold. So
Okay.
we're just gonna interrupt that flow and just let it leak out into the air.
So these are just literally spacers.
Yeah,
You can
space-
see right here.
Literally a spacer with a hole in it.
Okay.
You know?
It's the first time looking at the car ever since going off track. Some shit here.
That's carbon
That's
fibre
carbon?
bell housing.
Oh my god.
This is the world's easiest starter change on a Mercedes.
Yeah, but the world's hardest downpipe change.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna
Doesn't
be
do us any good.
a lot more steps than we.
Carbon
cool.
fiber too.
This is carbon? Yeah. Yeah, the X-Brace is carbon. Yeah, so this is all part of the Pro package. My sway bar is carbon as well. So no damage to the underside, to the undercarriage ever since going off track.
Smells like Willow Springs. Yeah.
That's a lot.
You've been providing a sanctuary for birds in the back of the car.
It's not on that side. It's all, oh Jesus. Jeez. That's a lot.
Dude, that's at least worth 3 or 4 horsepower right there, bro.
I should send Willow Springs a landscaping bill.
Yeah, exactly.
So while the guys are struggling, let me be an inconvenience over here. I'll explain to you guys how the exhaust system on this car works. So, 3 tips. One here, it's a real tip.
You got it?
And then the center one, and then another one here. So the valves are up here. When you close the valves, these side ones don't work. It's just the center one with the muffler. And then when you open that up, air travels through the side ones as well. So looking at this transmission, my buddy Rod over here told me that this is the same one from an 812.
Yep.
Same transmission from an 812 Ferrari. It's a good track.
Well, you got the Gucci carbon tunnel though. 812 don't got that.
Haha, say that one more time.
You got the Gucci carbon tunnel.
Say that one more time.
Gucci carbon tunnel.
Ferrari don't got that. Maybe that's why AMG's kicking Ferrari's ass.
Ferrari hasn't even put a lap time on the Nürburgring in like years.
they gave up. They
Years.
quit.
Law Ferrari, nothing.
Are those
Alright, if you guys could hurry up, that'd be great. I got a date tonight. I don't even know how to put this. So I went to In-N-Out to get the boys some lunch, and it seems like they're having a lot of fun with my parts. So they've got the drive shaft up, and well, just watch.
What Armenia! We give nothing back.
It's okay. Listen, we're not racist here at AGX. We could do this because Rod is a Persian. He's Iranian.
You pay them to dance around and put your car together.
Okay, yeah, hey guys, I'm paying 150 bucks an hour. Better back, get to work. I'm a customer now at AGX. Mark, don't think I didn't notice this.
Ow. Here, Rod, let me load it.
All right, guys, please. I'm sure that's very expensive. Don't destroy it. Fire in the hole! Oh! Oh my! Rod, No, you did not do that on purpose. Like, my car was gonna be on back order for like 8 months. I was gonna have to buy another car to get me by. Jesus Christ. We good? Everything's good?
Yeah, we're good.
You did that on purpose. You're sweating. Look at that. All right, here.
Let's go.
I'll hold on to this.
Put it in. Now? Come here, hold this.
Hold what? This?
It's on
These
the
nuts.
Got him. Mitch, I want a discount. See this hard labor I'm doing? I want a discount. While they're working on the car over there, let me show you guys what half a Murcielago looks like. The front half of this car went to a famous Instagram personality on Instagram. I won't mention any names, maybe Aaron Paul will figure this one out. But let's just say it was a white Murcielago SV. Front end got smashed. This guy's very well known for crashing all of his supercars and hypercars. That's you know, we'll leave that as a hint. But they use this car, this Murcielago. This is a yellow Murcielago, regular Murcielago. They cut off the front half, and they use the front half on his white Murcielago SB. And here's a rear end of this car. Got an engine and transmission that's going on a yellow Murcielago over here. So they're doing a 6.5 conversion on a 6.2 regular Murcielago. All right, Mark, I'll bet you dinner that we got some dirt in these filters.
How would we get dirt in this car, Ed? It's brand new.
That went off track.
Oh.
That's out. You know this.
I don't know. I left early.
You did. You think there's dirt in there?
The bed?
Yeah.
No.
If you had to guess.
I think it's not bad.
You think? You think it's clean? All right. Let's find out. We'll find out in 30 seconds. I'm about to win myself a free dinner.
You got it, buddy. I'll take you to dinner anyway.
Oh, I saw something.
Dude, it's giving me like little thorn. Look at that. Hazard pay.
All right, well, let's see this. That's dirty. All right. So there's a bird feather.
Did you suck a bird in too?
I have no idea. All right, dinner's on you.
All right.
Says this just became a lot cheaper today. Almost done. So Mark, you were telling me earlier about German cars versus Italian cars.
Yeah, if you have to pry on a German car, you did it wrong.
Okay.
That's how that works.
And Italian cars?
You have to pry for step one.
Okay.
So if you see somebody working on your German cars and they have a pry bar out, clearly they don't know what they're doing. But if you're working on an Italian car and you have a pry bar out, then you can imagine they're quite accomplished in their Ferrari or Lamborghini or Italian car.
So in other words, German cars are built much better.
They're built with the idea that we always joke around here. We say that there's probably some college in the middle of, like, deep in the heart of Germany, where they have to like engineer the most amazing hood hinge on planet, and it's probably like 9,000 designs of hood hinges. You know.
So overall, engineering-wise, Germany
Yeah,
takes
this
the
is
cake.
where it's at for sure. Doesn't mean that we like it better. It's just
better design.
It's just an exercise in understanding, you know, how it's done in Mercedes, you know, and it keeps it from being boring around here.
I'm slowly becoming a German boy.
Well, we lost you when the Porsche showed up.
I like my Wurst and beer.
We still light a candle for our fallen comrade.
Slowly becoming a German guy, not Italian. Lost my love with Lamborghini. Ferrari I still love.
Are you an STO fan?
No, not at all.
Don't like it?
Why would you get the bootleg version when you got the real thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, well, yeah. How many people other than you get to say that, though?
But you like it, STO?
Yeah, I like it.
Is it
They're
worth
gonna sell of them.
$350?
That's the tough part, man. You know, it's always been Porsche invented the pay more to get less program. You know, with the GT cars, RS cars, and stuff. So, at the end of the day, I think all the manufacturers are doing that. You know, strip half the stuff out of the car and charge $100,000 more for it.
But yeah, personally, I don't like the STO. How do you guys feel about the STO?
Comment below.
There we go. See, we gotta follow YouTuber.
I'm rusty. I need
It's been so long.
It's been a year since I've been in a vlog.
All right, you recording?
Yep.
Guys,
Gotta
if the
go.
video's a little shaky, this is why. He's back. Look at the devil brought. Is it louder? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's louder. Is it louder? It's louder. I love it.
Okay,
What do you think?
that
It's
is-
fast.
I have not felt that feeling in a long time.
It is fucking fast.
I'm-
Holy shit, that was impressive.
I'm tingling. I have tingles. Oh, Jesus.
You see what I mean by it's such a good driver's car?
Yeah, yeah.
It pulls so much faster now. Now second gear wheel spin.
Wow.
Holy fuck, it's loud. I love this. All right, IP. Seriously, you guys killed it with the downpipes.
Oh my god.
Oh man, dude.
This is not, I did not
I
expect
told you
this.
Everyone I tell like this is my favorite car now. Everyone asks like, what's your favorite car? I keep telling them this is my favorite car, and then they're always like, just like what you say. You're like, really? You know, it's always like, really? Like you wouldn't expect it. It's such a sleeper car.
Yeah. Well, I remember a couple years ago, it was like, you know, these R8s, these Audis, these Mercedes, these are cool. This is what you would say. But it's not a Lamborghini.
Yeah, it's not a Lamborghini. But now, I don't know if I'm older. I don't know what it is, but like, I just love this digital stuff. I hate my Murcielago because it just felt so old.
Yeah.
And then, you know, even the Porsche compared to this is a little, you know, dainty. You know, it's not as techy as this.
Right.
But I love this car. It's perfect. It's luxurious. It's fast as fuck, as we just witnessed. It handles really well, and it's a confidence-inspiring car. Like it makes you, it takes you from an 8 to a 10 driver.
Interesting.
Like you would be like a solid 4 with this car.
I could see it. I could see it at first. Yeah. Yep. Coming from a Beamer. It's doing. Oh god. Oh my.
That blow off valve. It's
yeah,
just like the
so
icing on the cake. Oh my god. Yes. 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 More yes. Wow. Oh, I love this. Yes. So much yes. And I've got R888s in the rear. So super sticky tires.
I'm blown away.
That's everyone's impression. Whenever they get in this car, they're all blown away. They're like, wow.
Did not expect it.
And it wouldn't be normal tradition if you don't have like 8 outros. I'm not that terrible anymore.
Oh my god. I forgot about that.
Dude, remember the shift sector day when we had like all 3 cars here, the Ferrari, the Porsche, the Mercy?
Yes.
And when we did like outros over here, we spent probably 30 minutes doing an outro here because I would always fuck up my words. So I've got a date, so I gotta head on out here. I'll see you guys in a couple days. I'll show you more of this stuff, but see you guys next.